Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, and today we're diving into one of the most exciting and frequently asked questions about B Network. What could its listing price be, and on which exchanges might we see it launch? Let's get right into it. Understanding crypto listings before we speculate specifically on B Network, it's helpful to understand what goes into a cryptocurrency getting listed and how its initial price is determined. Generally, a crypto's value is influenced by several factors: its total supply, the size and activity of its user base, the utility or real world use cases it offers, overall market sentiment, and of course, the general health of the crypto market at the time of listing. Exchanges also play a huge role. Major exchanges like Binance or Coinbase demand high liquidity and strong project fundamentals, often with significant listing fees. Smaller or mid-tier exchanges might be more accessible for newer projects. B network price speculation. Now, specifically for B Network, it has amassed a massive global user base, which is a huge asset. This large community could provide significant initial liquidity and trading volume. However, like many nascent crypto projects that start with a mobile mining phase, the initial utility of the B token itself is still evolving. When projects like B Network eventually move from testnet to mainnet, and then to an exchange listing, we often see initial prices that are quite modest, often in fractions of a dollar, sometimes even below a cent. This is common for tokens with a large circulating supply and a relatively new ecosystem. Think about other projects that have gone through similar phases. They often start small and grow based on development, partnerships, and market adoption. So, while it's impossible to give an exact number, a speculative initial listing price might range from a fraction of a cent to perhaps a few cents. This isn't a prediction, but rather an observation of how many similar projects typically begin their journey on public exchanges. Of course, this is highly volatile and could change rapidly based on many factors at the time of listing. Potential exchanges for B Network. Where could B Network potentially list? This is another fun area for speculation. It's unlikely that B Network would immediately launch on a top-tier exchange like Binance or Coinbase. These exchanges usually look for projects with established utility, significant trading history, and substantial market cap. More realistically, we might see B Network debut on mid-tier or even decentralized exchanges first. Platforms like CoinGate, IO, MainXE Global, or Hobby are often preferred starting points for newer projects due to their broader altcoin listings, often more flexible listing requirements, and access to a diverse global user base that is open to exploring new tokens. It's also entirely possible that B Network could first list on a decentralized exchange or DEX like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. DEX have lower barriers to entry and allow for more immediate liquidity provision by the community. A listing on a DEX could precede a centralized exchange listing, helping the project build momentum and establish a market price. Ultimately, the choice of exchange will depend on B Network's development progress, strategic partnerships, and their goals for initial liquidity and accessibility. So, there you have it. Faye, some thoughts on the potential listing price and exchanges for B Network. Remember, everything discussed here is speculative and based on general crypto market trends. It's crucial to always do your own research and understand the risks involved in any cryptocurrency investment. What are your thoughts? Do you have a price prediction for B Network? Which exchanges do you think it will list on? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.